Hi Maria, my name is Michaela. I spoke to your sister, I do believe, and she told me to send you this video. And I'm just calling local businesses in your area, going over how to get new leads from your website, as well as kind of go over your overall online presence. So to start, I'm going to talk about three different aspects that Google looks for when ranking your website on the Google platform. Number one is going to be content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. I see a spelling error here, but that's all the content I'm seeing on your website. So just from doing my research from other carpet cleaners in the area and cleaning services, I'm going to tell you that you need about 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone just to outrank them, as well as for every other service that you offer, whether it be carpet cleaning, home cleaning, different aspects like that. We need a separate page for every service that you offer. This allows you to be found for multiple keywords. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This kind of just shows me an overall breakdown, and unfortunately it didn't find a lot for your website. Let me see here. Yeah, it didn't find a lot for your website, but you are getting zero traffic to your website right now, and there's a few reasons why. When you have content on your website, you put certain keywords, which are pretty much the things that people search when they look on Google. So people who type in carpet cleaning, Katy, Texas, house cleaners, Katy, Texas, things like that, that text needs to be available in your content in order for you to be found for those searches. You also don't have any referring domains or backlinks. So think Home Advisor, Angie's List, things like that. Things that have a lot of influence where you actually put your website and it refers back to your website. It's going to do a lot for getting you a lot of influence pointed towards your website, getting you again found for a lot more searches. And lastly, I'm going to talk about citations. And a citation takes me here to the Google My Business or Google Map. These top three businesses are going to get the most clients and the most customers just because they're visible, right? They're right in people's faces. So to get there, you need to add citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So with that said, if you add a lot and you get to this top position, and I can show you how many citations you would need to do that, it's going to drive this UR number up as well. So by getting good quality citations and getting this number up, getting good quality referring domains and backlinks, getting keywords put into our content that we get for our homepage as well as all of our service pages are going to get us found by Google, getting a lot more leads to your website and doing a lot more to amp up your business. Well, Maria, I hope this was good information. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks so much.